Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. In today's detailed video, we'll answer many questions about the Cash App NFC tag, such as what is the Cash App NFC tag? How is it used? What are its benefits? Is it secure for you or not? Let's get started. As you know, every digital product and facility comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. That's why it is essential to learn the proper way to use any new technology before adopting it. In this video, we'll discuss all the important questions about the Cash App NFC tag that every Cash App user needs to know. We'll explain what the Cash App NFC tag is, what it means when the NFC tag pops up, how it works, how to use it, whether it is safe, and how to use it securely for payments. This video is going to be a bit longer, but if you're a Cash App user, make sure to watch until the end. To fully explore the Cash App NFC tag, we'll refer to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. On the right-hand side of this site, you can find hundreds of articles related to Cash App. One such article is titled, "What is Cash App NFC tag? Uses and Safety Protocols." This article explains all the key details about the Cash App NFC tag. When you scroll down the article, the first subheading is, "What is the Cash App NFC tag?" Here, they explain, the Cash App NFC tag is a feature that lets you make payments by simply tapping your Cash App card on a payment reader. With NFC technology, you don't need to swipe or insert your card. Just a quick tap and you're done. You can use this for shopping, taking public transit, and more. Just add your Cash App card to your phone's wallet app like Apple Pay or Google Pay to start using it. This is a function of Cash App which you can turn on whenever needed and turn off once the need is fulfilled. They also mentioned that this information was sourced from the official Cash App website. You'll find the link to this article in the video description. Scrolling further, they discuss why does the Cash App NFC tag keep popping up? Here, they explain. The recurring appearance of the NFC tag notification is due to the functioning of the NFC feature. When we enable NFC on our mobile device, and another device also has NFC enabled, the two devices connect when they come within approximately 4 inches of each other. In this scenario, the second device requests access to your device through the NFC function, prompting a pop-up on your mobile to grant permission. This pop-up is referred to as an NFC tag, and NFC tag detected keeps appearing because the other NFC-enabled device is requesting access permission from your device through the NFC tag. Further down, they cover how does the Cash App NFC tag work. Here, they explain. When we use the Cash App on our mobile and another device is NFC enabled, you can add your Cash App card to the NFC tag for payments. In this scenario, when you need to make a payment, it becomes remarkably simple. All you need to do is bring your mobile near the NFC enabled device and proceed with the payment. This feature offers great convenience. However, it requires us to exercise caution. When we bring our Cash App enabled mobile near any NFC enabled device, a pop-up appears on our Cash App. In this pop-up, it is written NFC tag detected. This is how the Cash App NFC tag works. As soon as you see this pop-up on your mobile, you need to grant access to it, enabling you to make payments effortlessly. Scrolling further, they explain the benefits of the NFC tag in detail. First benefit is convenience in the payment process. Adding an NFC tag to the Cash App card streamlines the payment process, enabling users to easily associate specific payments. Second benefit is time-saving transactions. When bringing the mobile device near an NFC-enabled terminal, payments are processed swiftly, saving valuable time compared to traditional payment methods. Third benefit is efficiency enhancement. The seamless integration of NFC tags enhances transaction efficiency, reducing the likelihood of errors and making the overall process more user-friendly. You can read about more benefits one by one by scrolling further. Next, there is a subheading titled, "Is it secure to use Cash App NFC tags for transactions?" Here they mention, yes, using Cash App NFC tags for transactions is indeed secure. Unlike traditional card transactions or those conducted through swipe or chip methods, which carry various possibilities of potential fraud, Cash App NFC transactions provide an added layer of security. These transactions occur only when both devices come into proximity, eliminating the chance of unauthorized payments. This inherent feature makes Cash App NFC transactions more secure for users. Scrolling further, they provide a step-by-step guide on how to use the Cash App NFC tag for payments. They've also included screenshots to make it easier to understand. Finally, they address the question, is it safe to give your Cash App tag? Here they explain, providing your Cash App tag to someone can be safe, but the recipient must be someone you trust. Sharing your Cash App NFC tag with strangers may not only pose potential security risks, but also lead to unauthorized use of your account. To ensure the safety of your transactions, it is advised to share your Cash App tag only with individuals whom you trust explicitly. At the end of the article, they list some important points to keep in mind. Share your Cash App tag only with people you trust and are familiar with. Avoid bringing your mobile device close to any unknown or unauthorized NFC-enabled devices. Refrain from accepting or responding to NFC tag detection requests from unknown sources. Be cautious and never click on links provided in unsolicited messages, as these could lead to phishing attempts. Enhance the security of your Cash App account by enabling two-factor authentication. Keep your Cash App application updated to benefit from the latest security features and updates. So, now you know all about what the Cash App NFC tag is, how it works, and how you should use it. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.